Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make popsicle ice cream at home. To begin, select your favorite fruits such as berries, mangoes, or citrus. You will also need a liquid base like fruit juice, coconut water, or even yogurt. For a touch of sweetness, consider adding a small amount of honey, maple syrup, or agave nectar. Ensure all your ingredients are fresh for the best flavor. Once you have your ingredients ready, combine them in a blender. Process until the mixture is completely smooth and free of large chunks. If you prefer a chunkier popsicle, you can add small pieces of fruit after blending. Carefully pour the blended mixture into your popsicle molds, leaving about 1/4 inch of space from the top to allow for expansion during freezing. After filling your molds, place them in the freezer. Wait approximately 30 minutes for the mixture to firm up slightly before inserting your popsicle sticks. This helps the sticks stand upright and centered. Then, return the molds to the freezer. For best results, allow them to freeze for at least 4 to 6 hours, or even better, overnight, to ensure they are completely solid. When your popsicles are fully frozen and you are ready to enjoy them, run the molds under warm water for about 10 to 20 seconds. This slight warming helps loosen the popsicle from the mold, making it easy to pull out. Store any remaining popsicles in an airtight container or freezer bag to keep them fresh. Enjoy your delicious, homemade, and refreshing treat.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.